Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to convert your photo HEIC to JPG on your Windows 11 PC or laptop without using any third-party software. So firstly, you just need to right click on that image which you want to convert, right click, and here you will get an option called open with. So open with, you have to choose here photos. If you are not getting any photos option here, then you have to select this option, choose another app, and after that you have to select photos. So I will click on photos. After open your image, you just need to press Ctrl and S button together from your keyboard, or else you can right click and here you just need to click on save as. Now here save as type, you just need to select here JPG or JPG. You can choose any format. I will choose here JPG, and after that I will click on save. And now as you can see, here is a new JPG image without losing any quality. As you can see, same image. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.